Do you think I should send the whole thing? Look at that, stuck perfectly in the yard. I'm wondering if I can just bomb that one.
Hey guys, Travis here with Sidonian Tree, getting ready to go out and do a tree removal today. A maple job that's been damaged by the storm, knocked down the neighbor's fence, and unfortunately half the tree seems to be gone. So one thing I was gonna say is something I'm continuing to see on social media is the fact that everybody's so scared about AI taking their job. Well, AI is not taking my job.
Back for another backyard removal. We're gonna take part of this fence out. But as you can see, this maple here in the backyard broke off. It's not short, but it shouldn't be too hard. There is a power line right there, so we gotta watch out for that. Cleaning up all the stuff on the ground first. Got a big pile here, and then I'll climb up there and knock that down. All right, YouTube, best part of the day, climbing up the tree. Ready? Whoa! Look at that, stuck perfectly in the yard. What do you mean? Ready? I can't remember that one. Oh, the ash tree. All right, you can get on blue. I'm just gonna cut it out here, let it go down slow. Ready? I'll hold it. Oh shoot, can you go get the poles? And yeah, I got it. All right. Yeah, probably a little too close for comfort there. All right, you got the blue now? No, I gotta cut the rest off. Pull blue up just a little bit. You want to move that machine? You ready? What do you think about that one? Do you think I could peel it down? Ready?
Can you get my rope out from underneath that stuff? My climb rope is stuck underneath it. I'd like to get it over on this side of the tree where the blue bucket is. Headache? Okay. I'm wondering if I can just bomb that one. The one my hand's on? Yeah. No. Headache? Okay, ready? Headache? All right. Can you get on blue? I'm just gonna take this branch out. Just hold it on this side. It's not very heavy. Ready? Man, I should start wearing my camel pack. Thirsty. Watch out for, I'm gonna take this nub off. Ready? Do you think I should send the whole thing? Maybe. I could just tie it off and you could just pull it that way. Now, you just have to, you don't even really need to pull it that hard. It's just a little, it's literally just directional. I don't want you to pull too hard. Well, yeah, but it's got plenty of lean towards you. All right, ready? It's not gonna take much, all right? No, I'll just chunk it down to where it's out of play. $592 XP. Number 2 dump load, and then we just got to put the fence back together, and there it is. Tree's all gone. They're gonna have to get this fence fixed back here, but no more concerns for this power line. See you next time.